Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another flute review. Singers Day sent me this flute to review and let's look at what's inside. Just a disclaimer, I got this flute for free, sent by Singers Day, but this video is not sponsored by them, so this is an honest review video of this flute. The flute comes in a chocolate brown case that has a shoulder strap, and there's also a pocket in front of the case for cleaning clothes and a cleaning stick and other tiny accessories you might need. So the flute is made of nickel silver and it's silver plated. It has split E mechanism and offset G. It also has this fun little detail on the rings. There's kind of like a diamond shaped pattern going on. Okay, so let's check out the contents of this thing properly. So I'm gonna open the front pocket first. There's a cleaning cloth and a stick for cleaning the flute. So that's covered. Was there something else? So next I'm gonna check the mechanics of it, that everything is adjusted. That everything is adjusted. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna check the cork position. Yes, it's in the middle. It's good. Looks good. And then the foot. Yeah, looks all good. I'm not seeing anything weird going on. It looks just fine. It looks great. Okay, I'm gonna put it together, so we'll see how that works. It's a bit kind of stiff, but that's usually, I've noticed that's a thing with the newer flutes. Okay. Looks nice and shiny. Okay, I'm just gonna test the flute a bit and then I'm gonna play a piece with it and compare with my professional flute. I'm surprised it's really kind of easy to play, as a student flute really should be, and the tone is really clear. I really like it. It feels a bit different from my professional flute, which is expected, really. The keys feel a bit different, but that's obviously no big deal, and that's really to be expected. Let's do a comparison next. I'm gonna play something and I'll have my professional flute and that flute to play the same piece. Did you notice any difference? My flute has a really dark sound naturally because of the material and because of the head joint cut, and you know, there's a lot of things that come into play. I noticed the lower notes on the Singer's Day flute they are really, really easy to play, which is really nice because they can be really frustrating for students, especially to get them out. They are the hardest notes, I would say, on flute. So that's a huge plus on that one. It is also really easy to play overall. The high notes come really bright out, and it's really bright sounding overall. I really, really like the sound of it for a student flute. It's I approve. I approve. It sounds really, really good for the price. It's around $200. I'll leave the links below for you so you can check out if you're interested. While playing, I noticed a bit of resistance when pressing the keys. When you play the flute, you are not supposed to squeeze them, and you don't need to squeeze them on this, but I think you need to use a bit more force than on my professional flute. However, I think this is quite common for student flutes to have that resistance there. It's just normal. Overall, I'm really impressed by this. I am really interested in seeing how this will perform in longer time use, how the whole thing keeps together, and if it goes out of, you know, like if it needs some adjusting or something. Can't say yet, but I might have a student who actually could play this a bit and we could see. But very impressed. It looks really, really good quality for that price. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye!